What the hell? Oh, it's the guy from the first episode that hold Denji. The visuals got my favorite colors though. Black and red. Wow. Look like Aki got the shower gun right there. This sound very heavy metal-ish. Yeah, definitely. What the hell? It sounds like my headphones are going out of control. Hey, the visual cold as hell though. I'm not gonna cap. Wow. I love how it went to like very chaotic and now it's all smooth and calm. Wow. Like Denji bowed down to Makima. Yeah, I'm kind of messing with it. Love how crazy this sounds. Wow. This may be an unpopular opinion, but I kind of like this one more than the second one. It definitely ain't gonna beat the first one though. The first one, it have a special place in my heart for some reason. Like I can't get it out of my head.